When it comes to any form of gardening or any hobby, there is a certain amount of effort, maintenance, action required. And much like a container garden, it's exactly the same thing. So guys, there are a few things that you need to do in order to keep them looking their best, because normally your containers, your pots, are in really prime spots, which means, yep, the eye goes there. But I've got a few maintenance tips to share with you that are going to keep yours looking really good. When it comes to maintenance, here are my 5 top tips. Number 1 is deadheading. And guys, if we're expecting flowers, we need to make sure that we remove the spent flowers. By removing the spent flowers, either remove them with a pair of secateurs or just use your thumb and forefinger and literally just snap them off. My number 2 tip, with specimen plants like magnolias or bougainvilleas or even a cycad, finishing them off with a layer of organic bark always is good. Why? Well, it looks great. And number 2, when it starts decomposing, you're actually feeding the soil. And thirdly, it stops any weeds, if they were there, to germinate. My number 3 tip is feeding, and this is a must have. And how do you do that? Well, just with fertilizer. You can never add too much because it's an organic. My number 4 tip, over time, plants in containers, the soil starts compacting and almost subsiding. So remember, every now and then, while you're walking around, inspect them and top up with some fresh compost or potting soil. Number 5 is water. Folks, these plants cannot run off or send their roots somewhere else to go and find a drop of water. So ensure on really hot days that you wake up just a bit earlier and you give them a very, very good soaking. During the summer months, one might need to water them every second day, especially if they are flowering annuals. Your specimen plants, well, they're a bit tougher because they've got a hardier root system. And those would require watering probably only once a week. Well, folks, those are my 5 tips for container gardening to be successful, abundant, and joyful for you. And most important, bring color. Follow them, and you too will have a great container garden.